Watermelon sculpture videos are going absolutely crazy on social media right now, and honestly, these are some of the most satisfying and mesmerizing pieces of content you will ever come across. And look at this Instagram page, almost 55,000 followers, built purely by posting this one exact style of content, and one single video from this page has already reached 23.7 million views. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. No time wasted. Here is exactly how you can create these for completely free right now. The very first thing you need to do is head straight to the description below and open the detailed prompt file I have already written for you. Copy the entire prompt carefully from start to finish, every single word of it, without skipping anything. Now open Google Flow and select the video option from the top. Choose OmniFlash as your video model and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Paste the full prompt directly into the field. Now here is the only creative decision you need to make for this entire process. Inside the prompt, find the designated object section and enter the name of whatever object or animal you want carved out of the watermelon. I am going with a lion. Once your object name is in place, hit generate, and in just a few seconds, your viral watermelon sculpture video will be completely finished and ready to post. Now let's watch the full result together. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.